All right, today's little adventure begins with the Marvel Group partial sponsorship. This is the OD Toilette, the Captain America version. Nice little box. And they have offices or distribution centers in, let's see, it's Desire Fragrances Inc., New York. Desire Fragrances Limited in UK. And Desire Fragrances in Rustjakkerstad. That must be the Netherlands. That's what it sounds like. Anyway, this has a nice little bottle, pretty collectible bottle. It's got a good color. And the fragrance in here, the cologne, it's not bad, it's not great, but it's kind of a collectible. So anyway, I was running out of cleaning supplies, and I got a few things. Some of these 6-inch Q-tip cleaning things. These are really nice to have. I think there's 50 in there, and I got a bunch of them. I think there's 500 in this pack. Pretty good value. I also got from Birchwood Casey Firearm Cleaning Picks 4. Now these are nice because they are plastic, non-marring, so that's really good. I have a lot of metal picks, but I needed the plastic ones. And also I got this universal cleaning kit. And to my surprise, it is made in the Ukraine. There's a little blurb how they're making this stuff to support their country and make good product. And it goes through everything that's in it. I'll show you what's in it. If I can get it open. I need some kind of pick. So inside this universal gun cleaning kit, here's a little microfiber cloth. It's got some, looks like 3-inch gun patches, maybe 100. It's got some black gloves, maybe, it feels like about 3 pair. But it's also has some of these Q-tip like cleaning things. But what I like about them is they're pointed. They're stiff and they're pointed on one end, which makes it easy to get into some areas. So those are nice. Also, one of my favorite things is this little needle oil dripper. It's got that real fine needle point on there. I think I have another one of those somewhere. I'm sure I do. Nice to have more than one of those. And that cap fits on there somehow. There we go. Little needle oil bottle. Also came with some brushes. Soft bristle, medium bristle, and it's either bronze or brass bristles. And on the other end they're the same thing. So that's nice. And this also came with looks like about a 6-inch metal, flat on one end, and yeah, it's nice and pointy on the other end. It's just got that plastic cover on it that I can't get off. So that's always nice to have. It also came with more of these plastic picks. They're also about 8 inches long. It's always nice to have these things around. So that is it for the Universal Gun Kit from Ukraine. And today's cowbell is definitely going to Captain America. Knock a bomb.